Now the not so fun part. Once you've done this initial promotion, you've gotten some initial traffic to the article, and I'll mention it doesn't take that much initial traffic. As long as the article gets more than a couple hundred views on it, that should be enough to put it on Google's radar. That's all that I've seen necessary to get it on Google's radar in the past. The bad news is that now you've got to wait. It could take as much as 3 months, maybe even longer, for your article to start to rank reliably on Google. And this is where people start to fret about having tons and tons of tasks that they can do to get it ranked on Google. But at the end of the day, it takes a while to rank, and so you just have to be patient. So write the article, follow these promotion steps, get it out there, get some initial traffic, and then just chill out. Just wait. But in the meantime, don't worry about it. Don't fret about trying to find tons and tons of new tricks that you can do, because Google likes to take its time ranking articles, and it's going to take a little bit for it to get there. So sit back, work on more articles that you can also get ranked, and then check in on this one in a few months.